Welcome back to the Trade Academy. This video is for beginners who are still confused when looking at the chart and don't know what to do, what type of trade they should be picking. They don't know which one they should take, whether it's a buy trade or it's a sell trade. So today I'm going to make that very easy and simple. So as a beginner, you can begin to trade after watching this. So if you want to get something like this, hit the subscribe button so that whenever we upload new videos, you can get it. Now let's begin. With this strategy, we make use of 800 moving average, which is borrowed from BTMM. That is our 800 moving average. So, and we will be using it on 1 hour time frame. So on this 1 hour time frame, we are going to mark break of structure. So, and also we are also going to know the direction of the trend. Now, take for instance, when you look at this, this is our 800 moving average. The candles are beneath it. That means the market is falling. The market is in a downtrend. So now the candles are now above our 800. That means we are now in a uptrend. So in a downtrend, when we have candles below our 800, we should always look for selling opportunities. And when we have candles above our 800, we look for what? Buying opportunities. So that doesn't mean the market won't sell when it's above the 800 moving average. The market will sell, but there's another strategy that I'm going to bring out. That is why I said if you want to be getting videos like this, please hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to release another strategy that will help you to pick a reversal trade. But this trade is for those who want to trade in line with the trend. You want to be at a safer side. So let me use another video to explain another example. So look at this. The candles are below. The candles are below our 800. So we look for selling opportunities. Now the candles are above. We look for what? Buying opportunities. You can see the candles. They are above. We look for buying opportunities. Now let's dive straight into the video. So once you have confirmed that, oh, the candles are still above this our 800, that means we should be looking for buying opportunities. And how do we pick our buying opportunities? This is what we do. We go to our 15-minute time frame and mark out our 800 moving average. That is where, just like this, I've marked this area. That is my 800 moving average on 15-minute time frame. So once you have marked it, I marked it with my yellow highlight. Once you have marked this, that tells us that each time we have a break of a structure, you know, we are in an uptrend. So market will break a high. It will keep breaking highs to the upside. It will keep breaking. You can see this high was broken. Let me see, was it broken? Yes, it was broken by this candle. So each time we have a break of a high, market will likely reverse. Look at this. We had a break of this high, this particular high. What happened? Market reversed. So how do we know where the market will reverse and stop? So to know that, that is when we make use of our 800 moving average on 15-minute time frame. This is 1 hour. So we go to our 15-minute time frame and mark it. Once you have marked it, so that tells us that that is the best zone to look for a buy trade. This is where we look for a buy trade, since the trend is what? The trend is up. Our candles are above our blueberry. So now let's begin. When you are in your 15-minute time frame, you can zoom your chart in. I think this is okay. Look at the movement of the candles. You can see how these candles are moving. So that means we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low. So a kind of descending. That means the market is reversing down against our blueberry direction, which is up. So now what we need now is for price to do what? To take out a high, to take out the last high. So this was the last high, just like what I marked. So this candle came but couldn't take out the high. It instead gave us a wick, a candle with a tail. So when the price reverse, what we are expecting now is, we can see what we want now is for candle to come and take out a high. So now this reversal has led to the break of this low, so our high will be shifted down here. This high, this is a low, then this is another high. So when price comes maybe in the nearest future and takes out this high, we wait for price to come back to test our yellow region and we buy. That is how to use this strategy. Very simple. Now look at this. AUDJPY. When I zoom, we see that the candles are above the blueberry. So that means we are only looking for buying opportunities. So how do we know where to buy? Go to your 15-minute time frame and mark your blueberry. You can see this is my blueberry. I've marked that zone. So when I come to my 1 hour time frame, that means I'm expecting market to give us a W pattern here and buy. So when you come to your 15-minute time frame, let's zoom in and check the structure of this market. You can see the structure is like this. So it's descending. We have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low. So this last high is that is our point of interest. So that means I'll take this, I'll mark the last high. So all I need now is for price to come, take out the high, come back to retest the yellow region, then I'll buy. So now this is another one, GDP card. We can see candles was below here, below the blueberry. So here we are only interested in selling, but now candles are now above. So we are now interested in buying. You can see how the candles have been playing around that side. So how do we know where to buy? This is our 1 hour time frame. You woke up in the morning and you saw this. This is your 1 hour time frame. How do you know that you are to buy? That this is a good zone for you to buy? So what you do is you go to your 15-minute time frame, our usual tradition, and mark out your blueberry. Mark out your blueberry zone. You can see I've marked it out. So when you come to your 1 hour, you discover that this blueberry, this yellow zone we marked on our 15-minute time frame is the best area to buy, and you stand to make profits. That is a discount price. So what we do is we zoom in on our 15-minute time frame and we look at the structure of the market. The structure of this market is like this. So market has been descending. Look at, I didn't even mark this, it's like this. So market has been descending from this high, from this high, from this high. So all I need is for market to take out our last high, which is this place. Once it takes it out, you can see these candles have taken out that high. I'll wait for price to come to retest my yellow region. Then I'll place my buy trade. You can see how price bought. So this strategy works very, very well. So on your GDP USD that we marked, you can see candles are above this blueberry. These are the candles. So you go to your 15-minute time frame and mark your blueberry. You mark your blueberry direction. So on your 1 hour, that means we are looking to buy in this zone. So what we do is we come to our 15-minute time frame, zoom in and look at the structure. The structure is like this. The structure is like this. So the market is descending. So our last high, you can see the market is descending. So this high was taken, but not with a candle with a with full body. This is a tail. So we are only interested in buying if the candle closes with full body. So look at this, you can see this is a tail. So until candle comes and breaks, this is a new high. Candle comes and breaks this new high, wait for price to retest our yellow region, then we buy. So that is how to trade this strategy. Thank you.